Hi, I am Adira Raj from Access Language School. In this video, I will be discussing about the type of question that you would get in the listening test. In the listening exam, the person appearing for the exam would receive a variety of questions. So the type of questions are filling your forms or notes or flowchart or summary completion. Then the second one is multiple choice questions. Then the third, short answer question. Fourth one, sentence completion. Then fifth one is classification. Then sixth one, labeling of diagram or plan or maps. And the last one is matching. So in the case of filling your forms or notes, you are required to fill in the blank spaces provided with appropriate answer that he or she will be receiving from the audio. Whereas in the case of short answer type questions, you are required to give the answer in 2 or 3 words. Then in the case of labeling of diagram or map or plan, you are required to have a great concentration or higher level of precision because the answer should be accurate enough. So the last section is classification and matching. It could be done comparatively easier if you have a good presence of mind. So we had a brief discussion about the type of questions that you would get in the listening test. I hope this video is useful for you. For more videos, subscribe Access Language School.